2008 Honda Civic cabin filter. I don't worry too much about the quality of the air filter. No harm's going to come to anyone if a little bit of dirt and dust gets through. Unlike your engine, the engine is going to suffer. I don't skimp on quality on engine filters. Cabin filter, you're just trying to get the air a little cleaner before it comes into the car. The biggest issue with these is I forget to change them. I mean, before I know it, as much as 3 years goes by. A good habit to get into would be, I think, to change these out every year or two at the most. This particular one, I think I got a 2-pack for a really good price from Amazon. When you drop your box, it's just held in place by a couple rubber bumpers up here. You need to depress these sides and just let it hang down. There's what it's going to look like. I got the camera just sitting on the seat. Looks like these little guys here depress and it just slides out. Very simple. You see the airflow. Arrows are coming down from the top, going down. The airflow is this way. As you can see in this, I must have bought this one from Honda because I know this is not original, and I have bought them from Honda before, made in USA. There are no directional arrows on them at all. Some of them might have, but it's just a cheap, it's just a cheap made pleated filter. This one is really not that bad, but it's probably almost 3 years old, but not a lot of miles on that one. So we'll get the new one. Okay, this filter that I'm going back with, this brand here, I don't even know what brand it is. EP Auto. Something about on Amazon, it had more charcoal in it for odors or something from the outside. And it's got some black to it. But what's interesting, what I want to show you is that this filter does have directions on it. Made in China, CP134 part number. See the airflow arrows? The Honda Element does not have any directional airflow arrows on it. We know the air comes down from the top. And it is not a perfect square, so we know our airflow matches. And it's just a matter of pushing it in. Going back with your glove box. Very easy and simple. And save at least 50 to, some people are saying as much as $70 by not taking it to a dealer to have it. A lot of this stuff you can do yourself, guys. You can save a lot of money. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.